In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import AliExpress videos to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to take a product video from AliExpress and display it directly on your Shopify product page so your customers can see the item in action before they buy. We'll start by grabbing a simple tool that makes downloading videos from AliExpress really easy. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type AliDown, AliExpress, and Alibaba Images and Videos Downloader. This is a Chrome extension that helps you save both images and videos from product pages. Once you find it in the Chrome Web Store, click to add it to Chrome and confirm any prompts to complete the installation. When it's added successfully, you should see its icon appear near the top right corner of your browser. Now that the extension is installed, head over to the AliExpress website. Browse or search for the product whose video you want to download, then click into that product page. Give the page a moment to fully load. Once it's loaded, look near the product media area. You'll notice the AliDown logo or panel showing different options like product images, variant images, and product videos. Because we're interested in the video, select the product videos option. The extension will automatically download the video file to your computer. Make a mental note of where that file is saved, usually in your downloads folder, so you can find it easily in the next step. Next, switch over to your Shopify admin. Log in if you're not already there. On the left-hand side panel, click on Products. This will bring up a list of all the products in your store. Find the product where you want to add the video. Ideally, this should be the same product you're planning to dropship from AliExpress, so everything matches. Click on that product to open its details. On the product page in Shopify, scroll to the Media section. This is where your product images are stored. To add the new video, click the plus sign, then choose Add Media from File. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where your downloaded AliExpress video is saved. Select the video file and click Open or Upload. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the AliExpress video appear alongside your existing product media. Finally, scroll up or down and click Save to apply your changes. Your product now includes the AliExpress video, and it will be available for customers to view on your Shopify store.